If Photoshop is giving you a launch error, crashing on start, or simply refusing to open, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 of the most effective fixes you can try on Windows. We're going to use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to fully remove corrupted files. Then we'll update Windows and install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ runtime packages so Photoshop has the system files it needs to launch correctly. This is one of the best ways to fix stubborn Photoshop launch problems, especially if a normal reinstall did not work. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button if this video helps, and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when new fixes and step-by-step guides are posted. Alright, let's jump in. First, we need to uninstall Photoshop from the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud app on your computer and go to the Apps tab. Find Photoshop in the list, then click the 3 dots next to it and choose Uninstall. This removes the standard installation. But keep in mind that sometimes broken files, leftover logs, or damaged settings can remain on the system. That's why we need the Cleaner tool next. Now go to Adobe's official website and download the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Make sure you only use the official Adobe download, because this is the safest way to clean out old installation data. Once the file is downloaded, find Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool.exe, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with administrator rights is important because the tool needs permission to remove Adobe components properly. A command window will open. This part may look a little technical, but don't worry. I'll walk you through it. First, type E for English and press Enter. Next, type Y to accept the license agreement and press Enter again. Then the tool will ask what you want to clean. Type 3 for Creative Cloud Apps and press Enter. After that, type 1 to clean all associated app data, then confirm again by typing Y. The cleaner will now remove leftover files and corrupted installation traces that may be stopping Photoshop from launching. When the tool says the cleanup is complete, close the window and restart your PC. Once your computer has restarted, open the Creative Cloud desktop app again and reinstall Photoshop from the available apps list. Give the installation time to finish completely before trying to open the program. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the launch issue. If Photoshop still won't open, the next thing we need to do is update Windows and install the latest Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. These runtime packages are very important because Photoshop relies on them for key interface and system operations. If they're missing or outdated, Photoshop may fail to launch even after reinstalling. To update Windows, open the Start menu and type Check for Updates, then press Enter. In the Windows Update screen, click Check for Updates and allow Windows to search for the latest patches. Download and install all available cumulative updates and security updates. If Windows asks you to restart, go ahead and do that before moving on. After Windows is fully updated, open your web browser and search for latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads on Microsoft's official support site. On the Microsoft page, look for the architecture table and download both vc_redist.x86.exe and vc_redist.x64.exe. The x86 version is for 32-bit support components, and the x64 version is for 64-bit systems. Even if your computer is 64-bit, it's still a good idea to install both, so Photoshop has everything it needs. Once both files are downloaded, run each installer one at a time. If you see a repair option, click Repair. If not, click Install. Let both packages finish completely, then restart your PC one final time. After that, try opening your freshly installed Photoshop again. At this point, Photoshop should launch normally if the issue was caused by corrupted installation files or missing runtime components. If it opens successfully, you fixed the problem the right way, with a clean reinstall and the system updates it needs to run properly. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech fixes and software guides. And if you want, I can also show you other Photoshop repair methods, like resetting preferences, disabling plugins, or fixing GPU-related startup errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.